Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the CLASSPNP.SYS blue screen error you're receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the error has to do with the system service exception when the CLASSPNP.SYS file has failed. So this file is a system file that manages different plug-and-play hardware devices, and it's definitely not something that is optional for your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result, should come back with command prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is a DISM scan. Go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter to begin the scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that scan is finished, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility. Once that's done, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.